Hi guys, Terry here. How are you today? It is a beautiful sunny day in Ohio. It's still crispy cold out. It's supposed to get up into the 60s next week, so we can't wait. But it's pretty nippy out there today. So I wanted to do a quick video because I wanted to show you what I got in my Sewers Club box. So we'll open that up in a second here. I'm also going to make a video on the sheetload of cards. Monthly, she comes out, Crafty Owl comes out with a new design for that. So I want to get started on that. And then, I don't know if you saw my other video on mosaic dies. I used my quarter pie it's called, to make my daughter a layout for her birthday. So I did that second page to go with it. I just love the mosaics. And then I made this one for my son. That happy is done with, I cut the die 3 times and put that on there. So I love how that turned out. So those got to go in their books. And then I don't know if you saw my other haul video on my quilt fabric. So I want to get started making that quilt, and I haven't decided which pattern I'm going to make yet. I love that one, and I really love this one. So it's probably going to be this one. I need to lay the fabric out and kind of do some math and see if I've got enough. I just bought 1 jelly roll, so we'll see how big I can make it. But let's open up this Sewers Club box. Okay, let's see what's inside here. This is something that comes once a month. It's a subscription box for sewers. And it's just a little project that makes you get out your sewing machine and make something. I think this is my 3rd box that I've gotten. So let's see what it is. Oh, Tidy Tool Caddy. Oh, I love it. So it looks like it hangs down over the ironing board. You probably could use it to hang under your sewing machine too. So it's got the pattern there. It's got the instructions on their website. So very cute. It says the approximate size is 36 inches by 10. And I probably could adapt it for having pockets for scrapbooking stuff. How cute. Okay, let's look at the fabric. Very cute. Oh, the fabric's adorable. How cute is that? Oh my gosh, it's yummy. How cute is that? I'll have links to this fabric if I can find it. The pins. Oh, that is too cute. There's a lot of fabric in here. That is adorable. Let's see what else is on here. It's got sewing machines. How adorable. Looks like it's got different sewing machines, tape measure, thread, scissors, bobbins. So cute. Oh, and then it's got the batting, so it's quilted, and then it's got the thread. So how cute is that? What a really cute project. Oh, I can't wait to make that. This has probably been the best one. I just love this. So very cute. Very cute. Like I said, on my website I'll have links. I'll have a link to this company. I think they're out of Canada. But just too cute. So I'll show that when I get it put together. That'll be fun. Thanks for watching, guys. I got up to my 1,000 subscribers, so thank you guys so much. YouTubers really appreciate when you guys subscribe and you comment. It just helps us out so much with our statistics. So thank you guys. Have a great day.